Hi everyone! Are you finding it difficult to install the Google Classroom and join the class? Or is it that you're not able to convert your images into PDF file? Then don't at all worry. Here we come up with a solution. Now let us see first how to install Google Classroom. You need to go to Play Store and there in the search bar type Google Classroom and you'll get this icon. Install it and it will take a while to get installed. After installing, open the Google Classroom and get started. It will ask for the Gmail ID. You please sign in with whatever Gmail ID is in your phone already. And you can see a interface like this. Here you go to the plus button and join the class. While joining the class, you need to enter a class code. Here is the class code where you have to type, which your teacher has already shared with you. You can either copy paste or you can even type it here. And join the class. You'll get the interface again like this. Here you'll find three parts, that is stream, classwork and people. The tests or the PDF file where you have to attach is in the classwork. Please make sure that you should not attach any of your files here, PDF files in the add class command. Don't do that. Don't at all attach your files in stream. Instead, go to classwork, click on that and you'll find an assignment here. Click on that and here you find the instructions. Before submitting the file, please read the instructions given and you can find a scroll up button here, right? Scroll up. You find here the scroll up. Please scroll up that and here is where you have to attach your file. This add attachment. When you click on add attachment, you'll get so many options, but your test paper will already be in the PDF form. So your PDF, whichever you have saved, will be either in the drive or it will be in the file. So now let us see how to convert the images into PDF and then come back here again to attach the file and submit. So now let us see how to convert the images into PDF. How to convert the images into PDF. For this, you need to install another app from the Play Store named Adobe Scan, Adobe Scan. You'll find it here, this one. You need to install this, install. It will also take a while to get installed. After installing, open the Adobe Scan. It will also ask certain permissions. Sign in with Google, this one, first one, sign in with Google. Then click on let's go and allow, click allow. Here you will find so many options, whiteboard, phone, document, business card. We need document, so select document and can you see a option here, the second one. Click on that option so that you need not wait for the images to get recorded. So now while clicking the sheets of your answer paper, what you have to keep in mind is it will automatically see, you can see here, scan multiple pages faster. Just tap the photo button and adjust borders later. Okay, so this is an easy way. So start clicking, adjust it later. So press this white button, camera button. Click 1, 2, how many ever pages you have, you go on clicking. 3, 4. So make sure you click it properly and then next you have to go here. You can see the button 4 numbers here. So click on that. Meanwhile, it will take a while to get corrected. If you feel that your original color is only better, then you can change your color of the pages here. You can see color, you have editing options also. See color, you can keep it original if you feel original is better. Original color is better. See, the original color looks like this. Or if you want to recolor, you can make it auto color also. Whichever you feel it comfortable. Make sure your handwriting is visible, that's all. Okay, after this, you have to edit your file name here. Click on the pencil there which you found and give the title of that day's test. For example, if it is first year, give it as childhood and adolescence. Or if it is second years, give it as inclusive education, so on. And all these procedures will remain same for all the tests, just the subject names changes. And then inclusive education and click OK. And now your name is changed and now you save it as PDF. Saving as PDF. You'll get an option like this here. See, uploading to document cloud. Instead of waiting there, what you can do is save here. You click more. When you click more, you'll get these many options. Okay, you can either copy to device, that is your phone, or either you can copy to Google Drive. What I suggest is you better copy to Google Drive because you are going to upload it in the Google Classroom. If you'll download it or copy it to the Google, like mobile phone, then you have to search for a while. Instead of that, copy to Google Drive. I will give copy to Google Drive now. It will ask where to copy and all. It will directly go. Select the folder wherever you have to copy and save it. So it will upload in the Google Drive. Okay. So it's getting uploaded. So your file will be uploaded, one file uploaded in the Google Drive. Now go back. After uploading in the Google Drive, you have to go, now you have to see how to submit your PDF file in the Google Classroom, right? So go to Google Classroom. As I told you in the first session, you are not supposed to select your classroom. Now, if you are a first year student, select your first year classroom, or if you are a second year student, select second year classroom. And as I told you in the first video itself, you have to upload it in the classwork, right? Upload it in the classwork and according to the days mentioned. Now, for example, if it is your Monday test, upload it in a Monday test and it goes on increasing like this here. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you'll get the option. Okay, now because it's demo, I'll click on Monday class and I told you swipe up here and add attach. Where you have to go now, because you have already copied your PDF file from the Adobe Scan in the Drive. Add attachment and go to Drive and choose My Drive here and choose your inclusive education. See, it is saved here and choose that and click select. It will come and get attached here. Okay, see, now it is attached. After attaching, please click on hand in, or in some places, in some Google Classroom, it can be even turn in or hand in. Both are same. Don't get confused. Turn in or hand in are both same. So click on that. And one attachment will be submitted for test inclusive education, childhood and analysis. Hand in your work. Yes, if you're confident about your test, then hand in. Okay? It will get work is submitted. This much is what you have to do. Come back and you can see these 3 lines here. You can see to-do list here. Can you see to-do? Already done. You have submitted your test of Monday's test. You have already submitted. This is how you can even verify your whether you have submitted your tests. Thank you for being with us and all the best for your test. Do well and submit well. Okay, thank you.